All right. Oh, okay, bet. Let's go to the currency. Oh, we did that. And last but not least, let's check our Forex Factory news. Go to the calendar. Make sure there's nothing going on today. Tuesday. Today's the 5th, right? Oh, look. At 12 a.m. cash rate with Audi. We need to be careful with that. I'll go read up on that. EU, GBP at 6 a.m. You had an orange. Looks like everything else is fine, but we might be a little bit. That might be why Audi JBY is selling. So let's go over here and look. Ooh. All right, y'all. AJ is in a nice sale. If you would like to take 10 on the 5-minute chart, looks like we might be able to get 10 in, 10 pips real quick. Be very mindful of your trades. Today, what we are working on is if you are in your main account, you are only trying to get 10% of your account. After that, you are in your demo. We are keeping money, people. We are keeping money. 9-6. So let's look at this. Bye 8-6, 8-3, 8-6. It's about where we going. I hate this. I don't like you. Delete that. I need a ray. Bet. 8-3, 80. It's close enough. And let me get a, you tell me when you cross. Crochet two. All right, so we have that one. Is anybody in it? Who's in it? Let me know if you're in. 9-1.
I'm in.
9186 is what I'm going to. Let me know if you're in. Let's go ahead and also look at EJ. EJ was giving us the same kind of sale vibes on the charts. Whoa. Okay. All right. Let's see. Who made their money in these lines? I made my money. I made some of this. Like I got halfway through it and then I stopped trading it over the weekend. But I know I made a good $400-500 off of this area. I gave y'all this area. Who kept it and made it? And it did it. It did it a couple times. Came out and came right back in. That's a beautiful thing. That is that should be 200 pips right there. That's almost 300 pips right there. None of y'all got that money. Where is Harry? Yeah, I know.
Sunshine, can you give that again? I wasn't on Friday or Thursday, so I missed it. But I got some of that EJ money this morning, though. That part.
Right. That part. So this is a beautiful EJ zone. Comes back, comes again. As you can see, since the 3rd of July, it hit once, it hit twice, it hit 3 times, and this is 4 times. That is 293 pips 4 times since January 3rd, you guys. Those numbers are 142.035 to 139.118. No, we don't want you making noises. I'm just going to go ahead and delete you for now. Yes. All right. So that is a zone for us. And this is on the day chart. It's the last couple of days. This is why I always start on my J chart, you guys, because it gives me a feeling of what the market is about to do, right, for the day. And I can kind of decide on the lower time frames where the market is going or what I see it doing. Now, with this right here, we have hit the 50, right? But we've got a beautiful 3-finger setup. We have to wait, though. The reason why we got to wait is we got to see if it's going to hit this 50 and decide to bounce and jump back up, or if it's going to break through. So I need you guys to be setting some alarms. If it breaks through, then you've got another zone. Let's see. This isn't AJ, this is EJ. That's a zone. That's a zone. I don't think this is going to be a zone. That's not going to be a zone. That's the only thing about all these colors being the same sometimes. Those are zones. This was a jump, and then this is the next zone. So there's room to play. Let's find out where our next resistance might be, though. We've got some good resistance in here. It's showing mad respect. That's for the bodega on the line. This is showing mad respect right here, B. Mad respect, son. So we're going to respect this as well and see what this does. Before I make any calls on EJ, I want to see what EJ is going to commit to. Let's go down the line and see what we got. Beautiful three-fingered. No, liar. That's a lie. That's orange, white, green, not white, orange, green. Let's go down to the 30-minute. Sorry, y'all. I need to look at my lines with the line chart. It gives me a little bit better. Ooh, look at that separation right there. Let's go down to the 15-minute. All right. We got a three-finger setup on the 15-minute for a buy. That's why I want to wait before I just decide what I want to do. Now, this might hit this blue line and complete that. If it does, that's still 41 pips, you guys. Let's keep going down. Ooh, another beautiful three-finger setup. Yeah. On the lower time, and just because for Yarnell, yeah, three fingers. Okay, you guys. So when I get a chart, when the chart start looking like this, who's that? Is that Yarnell? Who we got on? Okay, looks like the ladies of NOC are on today. Where my fellas at? All right, y'all. Looking on the lower time frames, especially on the 1-minute chart and the 5-minute. Well, 1-minute chart is going to show it to you just a little bit better. See how these lines are all riding this white line? This is riding an indecision. I'm not getting in anything until it tells me what it's going to decide to do. But it does look like on the lower time frames, when it does break out or when it does decide, we might be seeing a buy up. This is look at this. These lines are completely in consolidation. Completely in consolidation. Those lines are. Yeah, this is giving me buy vibes on the lower time frame. Let's go back to the higher time frame. Look at that. Everything is pointing down. On the lower time frame, this might sell back down. When I get two different feelings, low is giving me one, high is giving me another, I wait for the market to tell me what it's going to decide to do. But on the higher time frame, what do y'all see? What shape do you see? Yeah. That's looking like a McDonald's. I'm loving it. That's exactly what that's looking like, a beautiful M.
Is that red your 50?
Huh?
Oh, is that red your 200?
Orange. Yeah, that look like red to y'all. That's orange. But yeah, that line is going to be my 200. Yeah. It sure is. So with that being said, if it does try to come down, which more than likely this 200 will buy up a little bit more. It'll move up and it'll come in this area. We need to look at this area for our money maker. But I'm going to give y'all this area right here because this is a zone. 135.404 to 134.104. That is a 90 pip zone. Let's double check, make sure I got it right. Oh, 124. I need a number right here to let me know that. Let's change that coordinates. 124 pips.
So are you saying it's going to go below your 139.118?
139.118. Oh, I think it's going to hit that definitely. going for it. But what I was just saying was, if this continues with this beautiful M that it's trying to make, our first resistance level is going to be this yellow line. But because it went through this 142 and this 139 a couple of times since I called it, I wanted to give you guys my next zone, which is down here. This is not, this area right here is not a zone. This is the zone, the next upcoming zone. Okay. So I like to just give it out to y'all just in case, so y'all can have it. Since Chef Yarnell is on the line, Chef, how much money did you make with that 142 to 139?
I'm actually still in it. That's the one down to 139,118. I'm still in it.
You still in it? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm still in that sucker.
No, I collected my money. I ate off of this a couple of times and I got out, but I made a nice, at least 3 digits off of it
Oh yeah.
in my demo. I did real nice.
Yeah,
So,
I'm definitely there in my real account. I'm definitely there.
and it's almost, like I said, you guys, if it hits the blue line all the way, then that's another 40 pips to the blue line. But if you guys want to go to the 50, that's 20 pips. So if you guys are looking for at least to get 20 pips, you can get in EURJPY for a sale, and you can take it to the 50 on the day chart. Let's go look and see where the 50 is on the, yeah, that 50 ain't there on the 15-minute chart. So let's give it to you on the day chart. We'll pull that right there on the 15-minute chart. There it is. So 139.372. 139.372 on the for EJ for a sale if you are interested. All right, and let me know if you get in it to win it.
And it's dropping right now.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. But I've been in EJ, so I ain't doing nothing else with EJ. I'm in it. I moved my TP. I moved that TP, that 118. I moved that down to what happened to my mouse? Oh, there it is.
Did anybody else take the EJ trade
138.
when I gave it out on Tuesday? I know Harry took it. Nobody else? Y'all, I'm just giving out my monies and y'all
Right.
not catching them?
Right.
Just so y'all know, I funded my account.
Yay.
Yeah, I funded my account.
How you doing this morning, Sunshine? My bad. My apologies for not even just speaking. I just came on and stuff.
Man, you know we like cousins. You just walk in and go in the refrigerator.
I sure did. I went straight to the fridge.
Yeah, I'm doing good, you guys. I'm doing good. Oh, look at this on the 15-minute chart. What do you guys see? What do you see on the 15-minute chart?
Death Cross.
You
It's
already teach.
coming. It's coming.
You
Death
hear me
Cross.
right now? You already teach. I wanted somebody else to tell me.
Oh, you should have said, don't say the chef you're there and then everybody else.
All right, you guys, who for those who sell who still play with US 30, who are friends with US 30, let's look and see what we got going on right
That
here.
would be I.
On the 15-minute chart. Ooh, looks like US 30 just made a beautiful crown. Y'all see that crown?
She ain't done yet.
Nice jewels. All right, and we have a death cross that is about to happen. A death cross on the 15-minute signifies a nice fall, and we already got a nice fall that's happening. So when this cross happens, baby, she might plummet. We got 6 minutes to the bell, which gives me a thought process of maybe at the bell we might sell. 2-bar baby in this bad boy. Another thing that gives me a nice sell indication is look at our separation between our EMAs. So this is a hard resistance line, this blue line, but It just hit it. Look at this over here. It's hitting resistance. Let's see what's going on. Y'all see this resistance? Can y'all see what I see? Do you see what I see? It's right on it. I'd wait just a second for it to break out of that before y'all decide if y'all want to jump in. Let's see what this does real quick. If it breaks below this, then we can go ahead and get in it. Because it is quite possible. Oh, yeah. Look at our RSI. It's quite possible it might decide to turn around and head towards that 50. It's the only thing about the bell, you guys. You got to wait and be careful. You don't want to be too premature and jump into something for no reason. But we like to look around and see what's going to go ahead and go on. Look at that. Look at that.
So get out your seats and look around.
Jump up, and get down. I'm
done.
Oh, I remember him.
You know what time it is, Dana. Don't act like you don't know. You already know what's going on. Foolishness is in the building. Okay.
Yes, I've missed a week of foolishness.
And just
Good morning, Chef Yannick.
Evelyn from NYC with the bodega coffee.
Already know.
Y'all funny.
And Sunshine, I just want to give a shout out because I ain't talked to this girl in about 10 years, but she ain't said nothing to Chef, and I'm feeling some type of way. So Nakia Young, I see you on this call, boo boo. I ain't seen nothing.
Yeah.
Nakia always be on my calls, Yarnell.
Hey.
I understand she always be on your call, Sunshine, but she just done rejected Chef, okay? She done rejected Chef.
Y'all got different time zones. That's all. That's all that is. Nah, Nakia be in my stories cracking up.
Like the one you was talking about, the dinosaurs.
My apologies. Hey, I don't care what you
that
say.
one and the alien.
I'm with you.
Those were the good ones.
I'm with you, Sunshine, on that dinosaur. Listen, you right. Alligators and crocodiles been around. They prehistoric.
I don't know why y'all be
And the kimono dragon. I'm with you.
Hey, and if you don't see a bronchiosaurus when you look at a giraffe, I don't know what you're looking at.
Right.
Shoot. To me, an elephant ain't nothing but a stegosaurus with a haircut.
It is. Yeah. Without the tusk.
Exactly. And a rhinoceros ain't nothing but a fat unicorn.
Or a triceratops.
That too.
I'm with you. Believe me, I'm with you. I'm telling you. I'm like, them ain't nothing but dinosaurs all over again.
Them ain't nothing but dinosaurs.
Why they so big then? Why they so big?
You know what I'm saying? Y'all just don't think outside the box. All right, let's go ahead. We got 2 minutes to the bell. Let's go. Is anybody trading NAS or are we just strictly on US 30?
I'm on US 30, boo. You know I ain't even playing right now because that's all I'm going with.
Okay. So then what we're waiting for on US 30, let's go back to the lower time frames. Yeah, because look at that. There go all the resistance right there. Okay, on the lower time frames, all the resistance is above US 30. So there's nothing stopping it. It can go all the way down. But we also have a 3-finger setup. And so that's exactly why I said, let's wait before we decide what we want to do, because there's no way for us to know which way this is going to go until it decides to tell us. Because look at our RSI. RSI is even moving sideways. All of this is moving sideways. This is resistance right here. I need to know. I don't jump in no more. I'm trying to protect my monies. AJ jumped up and let me go decide to get out. Wait a minute.
54 seconds. 46 seconds.
All right, let's see. My EJ is in profit. Let's see if EJ about to hit. AJ has pulled back just a little bit, but not enough for me to jump out just yet. But I will protect my account. You guys, everything we are doing going forward is about not just playing offense, but playing defense as well. Make sure you protect your account. If it's going in the wrong way, y'all know how we protect our account. Big brother, Big Cuzzo taught us how to do it. We got 1 minute to the bell.
No,
And
we
let's
don't. The
see.
bell rang, boo. 9:30.
It just rang just now.
Yeah,
It
40
just
seconds
rang. Don't
ago.
do that. Don't do that. It just rang.
I know. I just said the bell just rang.
All right, y'all. So now let's look at this right here with this AJ. You see how we have a separation. The blue line is my candle line. Okay. Let's go back to the lines. The red line is an EMA. The gray line is an EMA. I know that this bad boy is going to want to buy if we get across in these EMAs. If the EMAs don't cross, this blue line is going to jump back down and it's going to sail back down. And so we'll take that sale. Okay. That's what we're waiting on. Now, if it does decide to buy up, does anybody know where it's going to go to? I pointed to it. I already did. I'm the type of teacher to write all the answers on the board and wait to see if y'all see it. I promise you,
Boom.
everybody passed my class. I write the answers on the board. Did you pay attention? Okay. If it does buy up or try to buy up, it's going to try to buy up. There we go. Who hit on EJ? EJ hit.
Wait. EJ hit what? Wait.
EJ hit that yellow line.
Oh.
For the people who weren't in the EJ sale like you were,
Oh, okay. 'Cause I was saying
we
I'm still.
took 10.
All right, cool. So I'm
Nope, we
still
just
in
took 10.
EJ.
Now look at EJ, y'all. We have separation between our candlestick line. We have separation between our EMAs. That's telling me that EJ is still going to sell some more. So we're going to take another 5. It's at 3.4. Let's move this down to 2.5. That's going to be our next one on EJ. That's gotta be Yarnell. You know, he played that smooth jazz. I picture Yarnell riding his motorcycle playing jazz music. All right, AJ did, like I just a little bit thought. AJ turned back around. Like I said, if you don't get across on them EMAs, it's gonna sell, it's gonna continue in this movement. So AJ looks like it's trying to go back down for its sale. Did I? Dim gummit, I closed out the sale instead of the buy. That's okay. All right, how y'all doing out there? How y'all doing out there? US 30 is selling down. Did anybody take that sale to 30? I gave y'all the blue line, 30591, and it looked like it's on its way to it.
Looks like it's going through it.
Anybody take the sale? Did I take the sale? My EJ sale hit, but that's not.
What's the TP on US 30?
On US 30, the TP is 30591. Wait. Oh, it's okay. Yeah. What I just said.
I can see it now. I'm sorry. Thank you.
All right, so let's get this money on US 30. 30591 is our TP on US 30. Turn the alarm on that. Y'all let me know if y'all hit it. I am in profits right now. Shut up. All right, back to AJ. All right. I'm not upgrading. Oh, maybe I can't add another one. Fine, whatever. AJ, we waiting. You know, love it. Look like US 30 tapped it but didn't hit it. Oh my, what's oh wow, my boss just called me and said I ain't gotta go to work today. All right. Who hit on US 30?
Let's see if mine
Hit.
hit. Yeah, it's pushing on. Yeah,
I
hit.
did
Ooh,
that one in my
yes.
demo,
That was good.
and I did it with on accident. I did it with a 0.41 in my demo. Let me say this loud in my demo, but I hit for $986. That's my
Awesome.
best. That's my best trade ever.
Very
That
good.
is my best trade ever. And I want to say last week I had my best week ever. I followed all of the rules and look at it. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. It's
Excuse me.
respecting that line. Now let's see if it dropped below. Look at that. It's trying to respect that line. Let's see what it does next. These are unnecessary lines. We'll get rid of these. Yellow is resistance. Blue is a hard zone. I will delete yellow lines, but I haven't deleted blue lines. Okay. Let's look on the day chart. See what's going on US 30. All right. Okay. So what is US 30 giving me? This that came up, but it didn't hit